Welcome to Juggling Gym. Today we are going to be learning how to make juggling balls from home. This is an easy DIY that I made up myself. Okay, so to make these juggling balls, you're going to need 9 different things. Aluminum foil, ruler, scissors, Sharpie, piece of paper so the Sharpie doesn't bleed through, rice, tennis ball, half measuring cup, and 3 pairs of ankle socks. I'm just going to be demonstrating how to make the one juggling ball because the other 2 are the same way and I think you can handle it from there. First, we are going to start with the aluminum foil. So what you're going to do is you're going to cut 2 squares that are 5.5 by 5.5 inches. So I'm going to go do that now. Now we are on to step 2. You're going to take your tennis ball or, like a baseball or something around that size. Tennis ball works best. And then you are going to crumple the aluminum foil just around the tennis ball. It doesn't have to be perfect, but just so it gets that shape. You want to try to smooth out the edges. You don't want anything to be super hard. Then you're going to take the tennis ball out. You don't need it anymore. So now we have the shell of what is going to be our juggling ball. And what we're going to do is just fill that shell with rice. So I already measured this, but this is a half cup of rice. And you just kind of pour it in there. Try not to spill any. If you have a funnel, that would work really well here. Okay, that's pretty much all that you need to do for step 3. Step 4, put the corners down of the thing that you just created, and then you're just going to crumple it on top. Okay, so just gonna kind of put it all the way around, so no rice will fall out, and we have the top covered now. Again, you want to kind of smooth it out and make it look, reasonable. It's not exact. Just kind of crumple it until it, seems like this is something that you could juggle. There should be a little bit of a give to it. It shouldn't be all the way full. And if you follow the measurements, that should be what happens. Okay, now we are on to the last step. Okay, so now you have, this is basically the juggling ball. We're just going to make a nice little case for it. So put the ball inside the ankle sock, like that. Then you're just going to flip the top part down. And there you go. That is the end of the tutorial. You now have a juggling ball that you can use, and you made it all by yourself, which is nice. Of course, if you're going to be juggling for a while, I would recommend that you buy a juggling ball somewhere. Probably going to make a video about that sometime soon. But if you're just getting into juggling or you just don't want to spend money on juggling equipment right now, then I think this is a great way that you could get started. So if you like the video, just hit the like button and subscribe, all the typical things that YouTubers say at the end of their videos. Thanks!